Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the
Dynamic Duo.
Dynamic Duo. Here we are. I'm Keri Parker, and my sidekick over here is...
I'm the sidekick?
Yeah.
I am Batman, not you. I'm
No.
Kyley Paul. Batman, Robin.
No. Okay. Anyway, in this episode, it is Wine Wednesday. And today, friends, I am having a lovely red from Angel's Gate Winery. It's V, and it is a Cab Sauv, Cab Franc, Malbec, Merlot, and Petit Verdot. Yum, yum, all rolled into one. Thank you, Angel's Gate. Kyley, what are we having?
I just have some sangria cocktail with fruit. I'm going a little rogue. I'm manifesting summer. So
yes.
So I needed to add some fruit in there and have a light, fun drink.
Very nice. Yeah. Spring is in the air. Seasonal wine drinker here, friends. I don't know about you, but red all winter. And as soon as that sun hits, hey, I'm doing the white and the rosé for sure. So Kyley, Coaching with Kyley has a huge announcement today. Big, 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 friends. Oh my goodness. Drum roll, please. Da-na-na-na-na. That was a drum roll.
That's a great drum roll.
Terrible.
We have a huge surprise dropping on my birthday, but it's a present for you. So April 16th, keep your eyes peeled. We'll be dropping some hints, but we have a mega launch happening on my birthday, and you're definitely going to want to be on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, my website, KyleyPaul.com, because you're going to want to take advantage of what we are launching. I'm so excited.
Can you give us a teeny hint, Kyley, of what we have to look forward to?
So here, I'll give you a hint. So what is already available on my website, we're going to be repackaging and relaunching in more affordable and smaller packages. So anyway, I'm not going to give you all the details, but it's going to be accessible to everyone for sure. I'm making sure of that. So it's, again, a gift for you guys for my birthday. And everyone is going to gain so much value. You guys are going to own your time and start living your limitless lives. And I'm so excited because there's a lot of value.
Awesome. That's awesome news, Kyley. And like Kyley said, watch for our hints, our tips. We're going to drop some new programs. The launch, April 16th, 2022. And there'll be some launch reminders on all our social media pages, friends. So watch for that. And great Wine Wednesday. Great announcement. Thank you so much, Kyley Paul.
My birthday present for you.
Birthday present for you. How old are you going to be, Kyley?
Old. I'm 35. The big 35.
There you go. There you go. Congrats. Happy birthday launch. Yay. Bye, everyone. Take care.
Yeah.